Manage your display apps from anywhere with just a few taps. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remotely install and uninstall apps using the remote monitoring and app manager features in Neovo Manager. Let's get started. Choose the paired display you want to manage. After a brief moment, the display screen will appear in real time. Go to Device Info, then tap Remote Monitoring. In the right-hand panel, switch to the App Manager section. Make sure the app you want to install has already been uploaded into the system. Tap Install under the Partner App zone to send the app to the selected display. Check the display screen to confirm the new app has appeared. Now, let's go over how to uninstall any app you no longer need. Switch to the App and Device tab, then tap Search to view the list of installed apps. Select the app you'd like to remove and tap Delete. Check the display screen to ensure the app has been successfully removed. Now you can remotely install or remove apps on your displays, easily and confidently.